Hey guys, check it out. Look at this. Received a gift. Actually, a couple gifts. Kulika's holding one too. Yeah. Pop's happy too. She likes gifts, right Cassie? Hey guys, Dennis and Kulika here. And yeah, a couple of cool gifts. We received this from Motosport. This is a cool flashlight. This really provides a lot of light, and this also what I just showed you on the ground there. That's a pop-up screen gazebo. That was from Kathy Bueller. Thank you very much. That's going to be exciting to put up, right, Kulika?
I'm so excited. I just can't wait to get it up because I can just see myself lounging there, and I have all kinds of ideas what I'll be doing there. Thank you so much, Kathy.
Yeah, Kathy.
And also Motosport, like this is really nice toy. We tried it out in the dark. Right now during daylight you can't really see much, but it's really something. Thank you so much.
Yeah, up here in the, where we are in the north, when it gets dark, it's really dark. And when I want to see something in the bush, I want a bright light, and this will do the job. I've already tested it, like she said. So yeah, we're gonna put up the gazebo. We're so excited. I'm getting nervous. I don't know what I'm supposed to say, but we can't wait. We're going to put it up, and then we can start enjoying ourselves in there. And all this stuff came from the Amazon wish list. The link is below, as always, with every video. We're not saying you have to buy anything, but take a peek or something. And before Paraface and hubby got us the GoPro, and the anonymous donor gave us the waterproof case, and we're so excited. So let's start and get this gazebo out of the case there and see how it looks. Pop's waiting for the unbagging. I took it out of the box the other day. It didn't come exactly like it was in a box. But look at that.
Yeah, we never opened the zipper yet.
Actually, don't white lie. I took a look at the directions there, right there. I took that out just to take a peek at it. That's all I did.
Cassie's excited.
He's even excited. Look at this.
Cassie was gonna come in it with us, and she's really bothered by those flies too. So she will.
She'll greatly appreciate that.
There without being bothered by flies.
So there's our fire pit there, but we haven't been able to use it because in the evening the flies are so bad. And there's our birds our rescued birds. I'll put a link below, so you hear all that cawing and commotion over there. You know what's going on. Check that channel out. And then we have the picnic table, so we'll probably set it up in this area.
Yeah, I think we're gonna put it somewhere here.
Somewhere here, yeah, and then
somewhere here. And because I want to put my top here, I have a little portable top that I got ordered online last summer, and I'm gonna put that in there so I can sit and
get that stuff out. Get the stuff out.
And then that water from the top I can use for watering the greenhouse afterwards.
Yeah.
So it's like a double win.
Yeah, so we're pretty excited. We're going to set this up, and then we might put the picnic table inside. We'll see. But first, I think it's better just to set it up and see what kind of room we got with it. But yeah, we're so excited. We don't know where to start.
Instructions.
I already was looking at those this morning. They're not the greatest instructions. You just gotta fake it, guys. Some hardware, some rope and ground stakes. What's going on over there? Settle down over there. No, they want to participate too. So we'll get everything out, then we'll show you what was in that bag. So we got everything out of the bag. There's the frame. First you set up that frame, and then you get the costume, the roof, and then you, I don't know what to do, Then you pop this up and then get it up to the height you want. And then you attach the bug screen. That's the most important part.
I should probably cut that tape.
And that's a nice carrying case, because this thing here you can take anywhere, obviously. It's like portable. You go camping or something, you can use this. So we really appreciate this, Kathy. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. This was gonna be real fun. I can just feel it.
This is greatly appreciated.
So nice. Like, we haven't been able to use this picnic table at all.
No.
Because In the evening there are mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes are
and
nasty.
daytime there are flies. And so we've been stuck in the screen room there, but that's
Which is nice too, but
towards the evening sun, so we don't really get any sun. So now we can sit right here in the sun.
so we have this greenhouse. It's behind our living room area there. It's very nice too. We've had many nice meals in there and spent many nice evenings.
Yeah,
But-
we're gonna put that picnic table right inside it.
Well, we'll get it up first and then we'll see what we can fit in there, because it's supposed to be pretty spacious, but let's see when it's up. So here are the instructions. We got it at this point. We just took it out. It says, so get it in place, then start to open it, then attach the canopy, and then then you push it up to lock the frame and then adjust it. So this is all new to us. So we'll just go through the steps here and hopefully it looks like a screen house when we're done. But we're in the early stages here. So we secured the cover in place, but this has to go a lot higher. Then maybe these straighten out after. I don't know yet.
I think it will be bigger. So this will gonna, yeah, I think I can see there is some room to grow.
Yeah, there's a lot of slack there.
It'll be bigger yet. Looks
But
pretty big already.
it's not going to be that low. We're not going to be kneeling under there. It's going to come way up. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. And when we get this higher up, we'll show you again how it looks. So there's some straps underneath here that have to be fastened to the
Yeah, there are some little
poles.
Velcro straps I'm gonna put around those pipes.
And then she's going to push it up and give it some height. And then later on we got to put some stakes in here to secure it. And then on the outside you can see you have to tie it down, because you know, you get any kind of wind, this thing would tip over. And this isn't a permanent thing. This is a portable, movable gazebo screen house.
Yeah, we are thinking that if we know some big storm is coming, we're gonna take the cover down. We'll leave the frame, but we'll take the cover down just just in case.
Well, we'll see. It says waterproof, but you know, it's not flood proof, you know. But it's got to be a little water resistant. But you know, in heavy storms, I don't know if I would trust it. But let's see here.
Strong wind.
So Kulik is going to push it up
I'm
now.
gonna push it up. It's supposed to snap in place. Pretty hard.
Oh,
Going.
it's going.
And there is a little pipe here. I guess it's supposed to
Yeah,
go.
it's got attached to that pipe.
That's what is supposed to click in place.
And then later we'll secure it, like I said. So. Oh, I think she got it.
It went in place.
And then it says you adjust
And
the
they
height.
snapped, yeah, all these
They went up.
went up.
And then you can adjust the height here.
Oh,
Let's take a look back. Let's back up.
Success.
Let's back up. Oh, this has to come over here. Oh, there's one that's not attached here.
Huh?
One that didn't come over the top. Like over here, guys, see this?
Where?
There's one here that's out and this could rip.
Oh.
We might have to loosen it. You don't want to force that.
Right, and there's another one there. Yeah, I guess I did not check that.
That's okay, we're having fun, guys. Yeah, there's another one. So we'll just loosen this a bit and then we'll get that in and then we'll extend those legs. Look at that, guys. It has different heights too. I think it can even go higher, can't it? Can it go higher, you think? Or no, maybe not.
Actually, yeah, you're gonna have to. Let's put it maybe in the next notch.
The next notch?
Yeah, because then you don't have to bend down.
Look at that. That's why you got to secure the top first, because you'll never be able to get up there and fix it.
Wow.
It's quite spacious, guys. Once we get the
Wow, it's nice.
the mosquito net on here.
He's enjoying it already.
Look, Pup's already in there, Kathy. Pup's saying thank you, Kathy.
She's appreciating it.
She's going to be in there too. We're going to try and put the picnic table in there, but Kulika's just cleaning it up.
Yeah, all the bird poop, because there won't be any more bird poop going on it.
So she's cleaning it nicely. So here's the mesh here, or the screen cover. So we'll be installing that right away. There's not really any good directions for this or instructions. You just got to put it up there, and if it doesn't fit, you did it wrong, right? There's the supervisor. There's the pup. We're installing the mosquito net now. It's taking shape, guys. Still got a lot of open areas. But like I said, you learn as you go. There's a little gap at the top there. But maybe when we get it on, it's nice and tight, maybe it'll be better. But nothing's 100%. You still might get the odd bug in here.
Actually, I'm really impressed with this engineering. I can see it's quite, it looks quite good. So I don't think that many bugs will get in. And of course, as we go in and out, some would get in. So we still have to strap a few mosquitoes here.
Yeah, there's the door. There's one door there, and actually there's another door going to be on the other side here.
Because it looks really tight here. Look at that.
Let's go in closer.
It's like double here, and I don't think they'll be coming in from here. And I think down here, I think we should probably put some log or something, just to weigh it
Keep
down
it tight.
to make sure they won't get in.
Yeah, it might blow around.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, there'll be a door here, and then when you, like she said, you open the door to go get something, a few bugs are going to come in, right? That's the way it is. And then on the other side, there's another door we're going to be. So when we got that mosquito net all up, we'll show you the finished product.
Ta-da!
Look at this, guys. Check it out. It's all done. There's the pup. There's Kulika. The screen is all up. Mosquito cover. Let's take a little tour around. Look at that. There's some flies in there right now because we had to construct it. Look at that. It's beautiful, Kathy. We're gonna have a lot of fun in there. The picnic table looks so small in there. That's how big this gazebo is. There's a lot of room. I have some family coming up in about a month. We're gonna have a little party and we'll eat inside there. So that'll be really, really appreciated. Look, Pup's enjoying it. Be a lot of bug-free nights in there now. We love it. So guys, it's all done. And we gotta do a little tinkering yet. We want to secure it. But pretty much it's all up, right, Kulika?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the forest and I get some sticks, and we're gonna put a stick in the ground by each post, just to make it more secure.
Yeah,
just to make sure we don't have to worry about wind so much.
Yeah, just like we did the bird aviary and the greenhouse, we did that. Because we learned some lessons in the beginning. If you don't secure it properly, it's going to tip over. So yeah, she'll find some proper anchoring sticks, and then we'll use zip ties and put it around the metal frame inside, and that should hold. So look for some future videos coming up. We're enjoying it. Also wanted to thank Motosport for this flashlight.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, when we're in there, we hear some noise, we just fire up that baby and we should be able to see anything. So thanks for watching. Give a big thumbs up to Kathy Bueller for purchasing this for us from the Amazon wish list. Check it out if you want, guys. It'll be below.
Yeah, thank you, Gazebo Bueller, and thank you, Motorsport, for that flashlight. We're gonna go for some dark nighttime walks with it.
See you guys in the next one.
See you. Bye.
Please subscribe if you're new here.